if you need a small pouch to carry around things, check these out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just ordered these, and my use here is for golfing, but you can use these for all sorts of things. So I just found these little Dickies pouches. They are assorted sizes. Looks like we have a small, medium, and a large. And the large here is kind of interesting because it has a zippered pocket, but it also has a little mesh opening. So you could use these for all sorts of things. But what I really wanted is something to put my golf tees in and then attach them to my golf bag, because that's a real big problem. You know, I put the tees into a pocket, but they always go to the bottom. And if you have balls or something like that in there, you're always reaching through a bunch of stuff. And so I thought I could just have all my tees hanging off the side of my bag. They are canvas. They've got the little Dickies logo on here. This one looks like it's maybe about 4 inches by 6 inches. They come with one carabiner, so they're all attached like this. So I will probably use one for the golf bag. But then we have this little bit larger one here, and the zipper's on the side. You can see here. Nice zippers, metal hardware. So this one is just slightly larger, maybe about 5 inches by, 6.5 inches or so. And then we have a larger one here, and this one looks like it's probably 5 inches by 7 inches or 6 inches by 7.5 inches. And then, like I said, just a little bit different in that it's got some mesh there so you can see inside of there, or maybe it's something you want to put in there and allow it to dry out. You've got wet gloves or laundry or something like that, very, very small laundry for your Barbie. But like I said, 3 different colors. So let's go ahead and see if this works for my tees. So I think this is going to be the easiest installation video ever. You can just clip it on wherever you have a hook. So I can put it on just like that. And now I have my bag of tees at the ready whenever I need them. So I'm not going through zippered pockets or anything like that. I can just close this up. And obviously, gray bag, gray little pouch here. So kind of blends in. But you've got that other brown one or the black one. Hey, that's pretty awesome. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.